Hello everyone, welcome to my class. This is Lakshmi, TGT English from KB Fazilka. Today we will enjoy the poem The Snake Trying from our Beehive book. It is written by W. Ross. So, as the title itself suggests, that the snake is trying to do something. The snake trying. The snake is trying. In this poem, the poet describes how a snake is trying to get away from a man who is chasing him with a stick. So, here is the introduction of the poem. In the poem, the poet says that the snake tries to escape from being hit by the stick held by a person who is trying to kill it. The poet wants to say that all snakes are not harmful. Humans have a notion that snakes are dangerous and try to kill them as soon as they spot one, but this is not true. He tells us how a harmless green colored snake tries to hide behind the green bushes in order to save itself. Next, we will see the summary of the poem, The Snake Trying. In this poem, a harmless green colored snake tries to save itself from being hit by a person who is chasing it with a stick to kill it. The poet says that the snake is harmless even to children. People fear snakes, and when they see one, they try to kill it with a stick. And the snake tries to save itself and hides behind the green colored bushes of marshy plants growing in the water. It hides in the ripples of the water body in order to save itself. The snake disappears behind the marshy plants. So, this was the summary of the poem, The Snake Trying. In this poem, the poet tries to say that human beings react to snakes based on their own fears. He points out that not all snakes are poisonous. In fact, some of them are quite harmless. And it is cruel to attack a snake as soon as we see it. Even if a snake is poisonous, it will do us no harm if it doesn't see any danger from us, because a snake only bites in self-protection. Otherwise, it is as harmless as any other creature. Sadly, human beings are the ones who attack a snake without provocation. So, here we will have a look of the poem, The Snake Trying. The snake trying to escape the pursuing stick, with sudden curvings of thin long body. How beautiful and graceful are his shapes. He glides through the water away from the stalk. Oh, let him go over the water into the reeds to hide without hurt. Small and green, he is harmless even to children. Along the sand he lay until observed and chased away. And now he vanishes in the ripples among the green slim reeds. So, this is the poem. In this video, we read the introduction and the summary of the poem. We understood the summary of the poem and in the next part of the video we will see the explanation of the poem. Thank you.